What do you got?
Mr. Beast burgers.
From Perkins?
Yes.
Midnight. Hey. Do you take a little nap?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, nap.
We're about an hour away from Jackson and 2 hours away from Yellowstone. We're gonna spend the night here. Well, we're gonna spend 5 hours here and then get on the road.
Everybody's like this. Everybody's like this.
All right. 5 hours of sleep.
Good morning, y'all.
Excuse me, are the Tetons this way?
What are you gonna get?
What do you got, Noel? Chocolate croissant?
Yeah.
Wow. $3 grand.
How does he come here?
Pretty cool. I love Yellowstone. Hi. Our first geyser.
What do you think, Harris? Is it warm?
Fireworks.
Oh, what is that?
Finding these.
What is that?
It's an ant or a little worm.
Do not enter. You think they're talking about the road or the geyser? Oh, it's a muddy one, isn't it?
Sure, that's
West Thumb Basin. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. A lot of bubbles, a lot of geysers.
Oh, wow. Whoa, you can see the cave system going down.
I know, this one's cool.
This one is down.
What do you give West Thumb Basin? 2 thumbs up?
T-shirt.
Voluntary sibling photo.
my
Look at
favorite.
Look out Essie's window.
Oh my god.
Do you want to hear my elk call? So the trick is you gotta go from down deep and you gotta use your lips. Ready? Elk! 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 Elk!
What are you guys looking at, Harry? How many?
You see it, Ezzy?
Wow, do you want to see the wolf?
So apparently the wolves were chewing on that carcass right there. And now they're over there taking naps.
That's one of the wolves. And then, yeah,
And go to your left.
that way.
See on the grass, there's a white thing there. That's the other one.
Stop, that's crazy. Thank you. Oh.
Think we'll see an eruption? Ooh, a little baby mud volcano. Oh my goodness, who's making eggs? Dragon's Mouth Spring? Wow. What in the world? You hear it? Old. We'll stand next to the Dragon's Mouth and warm up. Oh my goodness. Oh, so this actually like erupted in 1870. People witnessed it too. That's crazy.
Is it like a volcano?
Yeah, it said it erupted. Look at that.
Erupted with mud?
I think so. Alright, we've encountered traffic at Yellowstone, which usually means something cool. We have found a grizzly. Wait here. If I don't come back. It's sleeping, I think. We're gonna see if we can get a picture. On
Oh boy. This guy's our first buffalo of the trip. Made it. Alright, what do you guys think of the Grand Canyon? Cool. You looking for a picnic spot for us, Noel?
Over there! This one, I was heading to this one. Apples coming!
Cute is this?
What do you got?
What?
Bread? Awesome. Go put it on the picnic table.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
What is that, babe? What are you doing?
Well, I figured
Where did you even find
you
that?
want a serrated blade for the bread. A knife won't work as well, and I happened to bring my saw with me, so.
Aren't you just super husband, super dad? Ooh, look at that cut.
I didn't eat that salt. I want that.
Oh, yeah.
Can I have a big piece? That was
All right. Well, welcome to my kitchen. Make some sandwiches at Yellowstone. Got evenly coated. I'm gonna go down with the base of arugula.
with vitamins and sea salt. Yours.
Some tomatoes. Got our cheese.
My God,
Got some prosciutto.
I'm still new. Yeah.
And lastly, some salami. There we go.
You gonna grab this one? I'll grab this one. It's big. Oh, here, I'll go like that. Got it? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
All right, how is it?
Dead.
Oh, God. Cookie time.
Hey, boo-boo. How about a picnic?
Do you want a cookie?
No.
Actually, one of these has to be for S because no peanuts.
Mmm.
We can
I
go
want
back.
cookies.
That sourdough bread's so good. Cheers, babe.
Cheers, babe.
Kids are playing. We're eating. Sun came back out. Rained on us for a little bit, but got to see the, what's it called? The Grand Canyon.
Artist Point. Yep,
And now we're going to go
Canyon.
do kind of the classic Yellowstone, Old Faithful, geysers. Oh my
After
goodness.
you eat that, you are.
What the heck?
So this is a chocolate chip, walnut, and sea salt cookie. Look how thick that is.
Should nuts be illegal to put in cookies? I don't know. It's good though.
It's up to you.
Holy.
Wait, get this.
Oh.
This is like, yum.
Oh my goodness. Taste test.
Bite right here
Go
is gonna be.
Oh, the middle?
Mm-hmm.
You're a psycho. Middle first.
Mm.
Wow. All right. Clean up here and back on the road.
I brought $10 because he went all the way to the end, but only like a little of his foot went in the water.
Only a little.
Yeah, like an inch.
You know, sometimes in life you have to take risks.
Yeah. Dad, we're good. We're good, Dad. Stop. I did all that.
Oh, man.
You are so lucky.
All right. It literally just started sleeting on us. Guys, do you remember what happened last 2 years ago when we were here and we had a picnic?
Yeah. We were snowed on.
Right as soon as we got done with our beautiful picnic,
early.
it started snowing. So
It was the same.
exact same
outta
thing
here.
happening.
Well, let's go.
But snow ain't gonna stop us. We're still gonna finish Yellowstone.
Let's go.
Coast
is clear.
There is a gas station in Yellowstone, FYI. There's a mama bear and her two cubs way up there. You see him, Harry? Harry, stay back, bud. Oh, he stood up. Cool. Hey, let's leave before they get hungry.
Wait.
Hey, Ezzy.
What?
Don't be that guy.
I will if I were to.
I don't know.
It's chilly.
The Emerald Spring. The secret is sulfur. Wow. That's really good. Whoa.
Whoa.
Harry, look. Wow. Oh my goodness. Harry, you're gonna disappear in the smoke. Careful, it's slippery on that wood. Oh, there goes Harry. Wow. That thing is pumping. It looks like a train, locomotive, steam engine. Kind of feel like I'm in like Jurassic Park or somewhere.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they found them.
Yellowstone does not disappoint.
That was in Minecraft. I got that.
This is insane.
In Minecraft.
Babe, we may be surrounded by geysers, but you're the hottest thing here. You ready, guys?
You guys should do it.
Wow, buddy!
Harry,
Snowing. Every time Yellowstone, we experience like 3 seasons. There's snows, rains, sunshine, or most likely all 3.
here we go. We're on the home sweet home.
Here we go. Oh wow.
My goodness.
You guys. Oh, look at that. We got a dimmer. Oh.
Ooh, this is cool.
Oh, that's cushiony. All right, off to dinner. But
Mommy.
this is when my wife doesn't tell me that, hey, bring something super fancy because we're going out to a nice restaurant.
We're not too fancy, are we, Noel?
Me and my
are super.
Yellowstone clothes.
I said that was the best. It was a white one.
Look at that. Jeez.
No.
Making me look bad. Cowgirl
Are we
boots?
matching? Show Daddy.
Look at your boots.
You go like this.
These boots are made for walking. Here's the fitness facility that we will not be using while we're here. Peloton bikes, look at that. Only here for a day. Don't have time to work out.
Hungry? Ooh, I want to try this little.
It's not open.
Huh? Oh. What'd you go with?
I went with a spicy vodka sauce.
Ooh. That is the correct way to eat spaghetti. All right.
Mom, do you want me to warm
Who
you
is
up?
full of pasta?
Oh, tummies are happy.
How was the spaghetti and meatballs?
Good.
Just
I
good?
love the spaghetti and meatballs. They're the best.
Did you guys?
Spaghettis are very good. They're very hot, but they're very good.
Hey,
And they give you cheese.
do you have room? Do you have room for ice cream?
Yeah. I
Yeah?
definitely do.
How's Jackson, babe?
It's been pretty amazing.
Mommy.
A little cold in the dress.
Mommy.
Yeah.
All of these are elk antlers besides those. Those are two moose antlers.
That is a good observation, bud.
Oh wait, I need one of Harry. Oh, hair.
Are we close?
Right there.
Look.
Oh, good.
Say.
What?
Yes.
Ice cream.
Oh, huckleberry ice cream. All right, heading off to the pool.
Come in here.
Harry stole my robe.
It's cold.
If I was a cow,
It's a little chilly.
Wait.
Hitting that hot tub up though. Got a little fire going.
the tails off. Mom, we can stand in the water.
Did anybody check to see how cold the pool was?
No.
Oh, we should turn the sauna on. Oh, it's hot. Woo! Was Yellowstone fun? Yeah. What was your favorite thing?
When we saw the bears.
The bears? The bears were pretty sweet. But what about the hot tub?
Hot
Oh, this is pretty fun. All right. One day down, one full day to go, and
Half a day back.
tomorrow we lose the luxury of the hot tub and the cabin and bed, and we're gonna be sleeping out in the tent in the cold, so we will thoroughly enjoy tonight while we have it.
I hope we
All
survive.
right, good night. Morning, babe.
Howdy.
That's a beautiful morning in Jackson. Gonna finish our coffee, let the kids sleep in a little bit, and then head over. They have a really nice free breakfast, so we're gonna go hit that up. But yeah, then we're just gonna hang around Jackson today, I think, and then head to our campsite tonight. So, you ready to go sleep outside tomorrow?
I got really spoiled last night. It's gonna be hard.
It's a little chilly. I got my son's dinosaur sleeping bag on me, but we'll have a fire. It'll be fun. It's only one night.
You have cute little lights.
You can do anything hard for one night.
I'm gonna make it into
Country breakfast.
I thought you said you got
Got our coffee. Gonna go check out the nature walk in the teepee. Cool. Oh, cool.
God spoke to Moses to be too busy to stop, look, and listen to you. Amen.
Amen. So join Jackson Hole.
Dance in the light. Gonna shout out for joy. Gonna live out this life like I never had before. Gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light.
Are you okay? I think so.
What?
How cold do you think it's gonna be out there?
What?
You think it's gonna be cold?
Okay. Hope not. How can 100 people fit in that?
It's the biggest gondola I've ever been in. Looks like a bus.
We're going to the top of Rendezvous Mountain. That
Freaked out.
that was a little freaky.
So we are coming up to the very top of the tram on the very top of Rendezvous Mountain. Oh, thank you.
It's okay. It's not too cold. Alright, should we do the lookout point first, guys?
So sketchy. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Wow. Are you scared or no? No? Look at that view. How are you feeling, babe?
got the heebie-jeebies for sure. Just trusting the system. This is a crazy view.
This is cool. The views up here are crazy.
Hot cocoa.
Waffle besides Patrick? All right, think we're caught up.
All right.
Oh wow, you know how to do it.
There you go. That's good.
Sorry about that.
Perfect, bud. Think you're looking good? Oh my goodness. Mountain waffles, dig in. You got your hands ready? You like the whipped cream and chocolate on there? Oh, how is it, Harry?
Wait, good. Am I gonna need to get another one?
Oh. How is it, Noel?
Dead.
Eating a waffle on 10,500 feet. Ooh, chocolate. Now the wind's back.
So cool.
Be brave! I'm on top of the world, hey! I'm on top of the world, hey! You warm? Yeah. Are you warm? Here you go. You warm? Better?
You've had this pair of extra gloves this whole time?
Yeah, we're in the Rockies.
Drop off there. Sorry, Jackson. 3, 2, 1.
Was this one of the
You even have a telephone. You even have a button.
Wow.
It's me. We arrive at the restaurant.
Show the restaurant. It's cool.
Did you go with the elk or the bison?
I love ketchup. Oh, that's a horn.
What are you eating tomorrow?
Sally.
What'd you get?
Cookies and cream. Let me try mine. It's cold.
You good? Oh, cheers, Ray. Cheers. Nothing like running into a bear before you go camping. Bear number 5 for this 3-day trip. First black bear. That's crazy. Hey Harry, what did the fox say? All right, made it to the campsite. Who's ready to set up?
Mommy!
Let's go. So we're gonna attempt to make this a little comfortable for the kids. We left the blow-up mattresses in Florida, but luckily we have these what do you call them? Tumbling mats. So we're gonna lay this to kind of create some separation, cushion, hopefully keep it a little warm. Lay these out, and then sleeping bags. Try and do everything we can to keep the kids fairly warm tonight. Should get down to about 30 degrees. Gonna put some warmers on them.
Hand warmers. We've got
hot water bottle. But I think we'll be all right. Got these cute kid-size sleeping bags. REI was doing like 30% off everything. So, all right.
Shoes.
All right. So Ezra and Noel are gonna be here. Harry, me, and Mom are on the ends.
Yeah.
I'm sleepy.
You gonna take a nap?
You're sleepy?
Okay, no. Yeah.
What are you packing?
Bear spray.
Always be prepared.
Always.
We did see a black bear on our way in, but she assured us the numerous amount of black bears that come to this camp are friendly, so just pat on your leg and they'll leave you alone. She said they're well trained. Into the fire. All right.
You guys wanna watch Daddy do the fire?
That's what I'm doing. Over here. Yeah. By us.
I'm just peeling off some of this moss for catch my spark. So I just got some of that moss on top of a paper towel, on top of a cardboard piece.
Stay back. Here, stay back.
Yes. Finally. Fire. Finally. Fire.
Alright. Nice, buddy.
Move it back, so I just don't want her to get her. Put her
Nice
over
job,
Put
guys.
this one in, Dad.
Now we can start cooking.
Yeah.
Finally getting to use my Christmas present. Stanley camp set. Take a look. Oh, look at, oh, good, babe. Actually needed that cutting board.
Oh, there's your cutting board too.
What? I haven't even opened it yet. So use this to make the chili. Oven mitts.
That's brilliant.
Oh, it comes with a stand. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, no way. Look at that. That was an awesome little set. All right. Thank you, Leah. On the menu tonight for the kids, I'm gonna try one of these just add hot water adventure meals, macaroni and cheese, hot dogs. And then for me and Jordan, I'm gonna make my world famous chili. And then they really want the marshmallows because we're gonna have s'mores tonight, aren't we? My secret. Let's sear up. Just kind of want to get a quick sear on them. Onions in there. Got a little salt, paprika, black pepper. Last but not least, we got some chili powder. We're cooking, Noel. We're gonna add the steak back in. Now, we only know how to make one size of chili, and that's to feed about 25 people. So I'm attempting to make enough chili for just me and my wife. 1 can of tomato sauce and beans. So last step, add some more of the chipotle juice and some more chili powder. This stuff just takes it to the next level. Oh, that's what chili should look like. Water's boiling. Trying to burn myself. Ooh. Again. I feel like it's really liquidy. Seal it for another 5 minutes. Should be ready to go. Hot dog's going. One of my children likes this. Lucas Grimes' famous Campfire chili.
Well, I don't think so.
Big pot for 2.
I know, right? I told you I cannot make a small portion of this.
You can never have too much onion. Like it.
And this is Campfire chili. Oh, finally get to enjoy my chili.
I'm gonna dip it in.
Chili cooked over a campfire just hits different. Oh. Time to do the dishes.
Trying to char it.
This is how you make a small.
Yeah, cook it first.
Oh.
Hey.
Then another one.
Wait, you forgot the marshmallow.
Trying to char it.
Marshmallow in the middle.
Oh man.
Did you put a Reese's and a Hershey's?
How is
Oh my, wait, you put 2 Hershey's?
I told you. This is how you make the master one.
Holy
Let's see that
smokes.
bite. This is, I'm catching your crumbs.
How is it?
Delicious. I'm just doing this.
Just the marshmallow?
Yeah.
You want one of the chocolates or the sprinkles?
Okay.
Chocolate chips? Oh, and chocolate. Okay. Now we're getting there. We're halfway there.
Good job, bud.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Oh. They're safe. All right. Let's hope those detract the bears. What time is it? It's a little after 10 p.m. First night camping in the Grand Tetons right outside Yellowstone. Might get down in the 30s, so we got triple insulated, everybody's in jackets. We got hand warmers if we need them. We have Christmas lights. I don't know if I'll be able to sleep because it's pretty bright in here. We boiled some water in Nalgene bottles. We're gonna put those in our sleeping bags. Learned that from Mr. Outdoor Boys himself. Hopefully that helps, and yeah, we're not gonna get attacked by bears tonight, so it's gonna be good.
I hope we don't get attacked.
But we will try and get some shut-eye and see you guys in the morning. Well, we survived. But it's very cold. Did somebody order coffee? Well, very cold night, but starting to warm up now. We have our coffee, warming ourselves by the fire. Gonna make some hot chocolate for the kiddos and coffee for us. And maybe we'll get ready and have some breakfast. Make a little hot chocolate. A little hot chocolate for my lady. Careful, it's a little hot. You might want to put it in your cup holder and let it till it cools down. I forgot to bring oil.
Found a lot of those warm-up feet. No, you will.
There you go, babe.
Where is my bait?
Breakfast campfire burrito.
Where is my bait?
There you go.
Right by your eggs.
Oh, here we go.
So good. Oh my goodness. So much better.
Good.
Cooked over fire.
As a winnow.
I'm on toast duty. It burns quick.
No, you have to play the game, okay?
Nope, it's good.
Well, you won. I'm making a house.
Crunchy.
No problem.
Look at that. Teton Huckleberry Honey.
Huckleberry ice cream.
Gotta warm up the honey.
Wait, that's...
besides being crunchy? How is it?
Tastes like huckleberry.
Alright, well the kids want to go fishing, but got a little bit of a knot. So, time to get to work.
We'll follow you. Lead the way.
Yeah. I didn't go so far, now I know. I didn't go so far.
Are you going to throw it out there far?
Yep. Dad, boy, that mountain. Papa already teach me to fish.
Did he? You fishing? Catch anything yet? Did you catch anything yet? Not yet?
Look at this big rock.
Well, as he might have fallen in the water, hence pajama pants. But other than that, no fish, but you cannot ask for a more beautiful place to not catch fish. I'm gonna give Jordan a quick fly fishing lesson now, so. You ready? So you just want to have some line out like this, okay? So pull a line out. Because basically, when you go back and then forward, it lets out more line.
Safe with Harry.
It has been a great 2.5 days, but time to get on the road. All right. Till next time.
Hi guys.
Hey, look. Moose chilling.